I didn't expect to be using the ultra-large version so soon this year. Hey, don't get me wrong, I'm talking about this time's Vivo X300 Pro. Because its configuration is truly super, really all around. The Dimensity 9500 processor with over 4 million benchmark scores, and the average frame rate for Genshin Impact even reached 61 frames. The front uses the brand new BOE Q10 Plus screen with a peak brightness reaching 4500 nits, and it supports 8T LTPO. It not only has full brightness 2160 Hz high frequency PWM dimming, but also offers full DC dimming options. Additionally, you can customize a more personalized brightness, and even the brightness of different app screens can be intelligently adjusted. Ultra soft light fingerprint unlocking, instant unlock with wet hands, larger volume F linear motor, stronger vibration. IP68 and IP69 are also standard. Oh, by the way, this time they also gave you USB 3.2. As for the battery, it's a 6510 mAh Blue Sea battery supporting 90-watt wired fast charging and 40-watt wireless fast charging. As for the camera, actually, with Vivo, there's no need to worry, but I think you, like me, are very curious about how the camera has been upgraded this time. I put the rear camera specs above. You can pause to take a look. The brand new LYT828 gimbal level main camera offers a higher dynamic range, preserving rich light and dark details even in low light environments, making the image purer. The new Zeiss 200 million APU telephoto lens integrates software and hardware at a deeper level, making it even more powerful. From 24mm to 135mm, every portrait focal length can be presented in high definition. Activate the 200 million pixel photo mode, and the resulting sample images are full of details. Even when you continuously zoom in and crop, you can still get high definition samples. Some people say they don't know how to compose or crop to make it look good, so this time it has added an AI movie storyboard. By selecting a 200 million pixel sample, the system will help you recompose and stitch it, and the key is that each one is very clear. The new Zeiss Natural Portrait makes beauty enhancement more realistic and textured. This is probably what many girls love, the effect of wearing makeup but not wanting you to notice it. It's said that light makes a good photo, and even the night scene portrait flash can zoom, showing different light spot effects at various focal lengths. Such portrait samples feel more lifelike, and in complex environments, they can effectively restore a good complexion in portraits. Now, the full focal length supports motion portrait capture, allowing you to easily capture facial expressions and movements of people in motion. Press the shutter to get vibrant portrait shots. Besides photography, this time the video recording has also been upgraded. When you turn on stage recording, not only is everything clear both near and far, but it also supports taking beautiful shots during recording. You can just tap to take a photo, and the resulting portrait samples will be more clearer and more textured. Not only that, it also supports 4K dual view recording, allowing you to easily capture both panoramic and close-up shots or record with both front and rear cameras. This time, it also supports long-duration video recording, so once enabled, you don't have to worry about the phone overheating and stopping the recording, and the overall power consumption will be lower. Now, portrait video finally supports 4K 6 frames per second recording, and you can also add various filter styles simultaneously. Not only is the keying more delicate, but the moving shots are also smoother. The key is, look at this effect. It really is almost like it was recorded with a DSLR. In the future, if you go out to play, wouldn't just bringing this phone be enough? If you add the Zeiss teleconverter, wow, telescope, you don't even need to bring a mirror. This is the real distance between me and the girl, but on the phone, it feels like she's right in front of you. Whether taking photos or videos, it's really stable and high definition. Oh, by the way, even the standard version can use this teleconverter this time. So after seeing all these upgrades, you understand why I call the Vivo X300 Pro the super large cut, right? Because it truly is so versatile.